Want to give the gift of flexible payments to a friend or family member? In this video, I'll explain what Klarna subscription plans are and how you can gift them. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. It's a thoughtful idea, but it's important to know that Klarna itself does not offer a subscription plan that you can gift like a Netflix subscription. Klarna is a payment method, not a subscription service. You can't directly gift someone a Klarna plan. However, you can gift a Klarna gift card. Some retailers that accept Klarna may sell gift cards. The recipient can then use that gift card at checkout and choose Klarna's Pay in 4 inches for any remaining balance, as we discussed in the previous video. Alternatively, you could simply give them a traditional Visa or MasterCard gift card, which they can link to their Klarna account as a payment method to make their installments. A crucial pro tip: the best gift might be a referral. Use Klarna's Invite Friends program. When they sign up and make their first purchase, they might get a welcome offer, and you could get a reward too. It's a win-win that introduces them to the platform. And just like that, you can share the benefits of Klarna with your loved ones. Gifting isn't direct, but you have clever options. What's the best financial or tech-related gift you've ever received? Share the idea with us. To use your benefits, subscribe for our next video on how to use Klarna credit rewards. Thanks for watching.